Kumakain si Daddy.
Beam, H-beam. If you look at the end of it, it looks like an I or it looks like an H.
I-E-S-I.
Depending which way you turn it.
Say
You
it,
turn it up,
say
it
it
looks like an I. You turn it down, it looks like an H.
Jana, no. Don't put no.
I want that phone. Give me that phone. Dad, have your phone.
The bigger team had cheese dip.
I did already. Look.
Yan, yan. Videoing over there. When it's gonna be up? Oh, remember when it's up the river? It's not a winter. It's summer. Yes.
I'm going to walk through here a good little way.
Okay.
You staying here?
Yeah, if you're not bring the gun. I don't want somebody to get the gun.
I'm going to bring the gun.
Okay, I'll go with you. What about the key?
Take the key.
Golly, can't take it off.
I understand there's a few ways out of here.
What do you mean? You catch them? Oh, no need to take it off. It's hard to take it off. Lalakad kami. Iniwan namin yung two-wheeler ng nagsusi, guys. So, maglalakad tayo. That's been before. Me and you and John.
But the leaves should have already filled it in. He has come back and checked it.
Yes, you'll need to.
The leaves that have fell should have already covered it.
It means it's been back here. Guys, ang laki ng boots ko. Nahitapan ako maglakad. Sa asawa ko to, guys. Wala akong balak na sumama sa kanya, pero wala ang gagawin sa bahay. So, sumama lang ako. Ang sinuot ko yung boots niya na napakalaki. Ang laki-laki, guys. So, ang bigat-bigat. Guys, maglakad tayo sa wood. Kung makasalubong kami ng hog, guys, naku, hindi ako makatakbo dito sa ano niya, sa boots niya na malaki. Sitiyak, tatanggalin ko yung boots at takbo. Nasa layo na namin sa car. Ay, ang bigat na pa ako, guys. Mabigat yung boots niya. Naglalakad kami, guys, kasi hinahanap namin yung possible na maraming tracks ng deer. Baka may mga sila dito, line na yung pinagbakasan nila, guys. Yun yung hinahanap ng asawa ko, tsaka yung mga strap. Ang daming dito, guys. Oh, tubig, guys. Wala ko maglakad, ang laki ng boots. Parang nagsapatos na lang ako katulad niya. deer. It's a good size deer, but it's old. Ayan nga guys, nakahanap siya nito. Stepping deer. Tingnan nyo guys, so nakakatakot pag ganito. Baka mali mo may ahas. Ako. Gusto ko maglalakad guys. Practice. Raycon. Pwede silang uminom dyan.
Not as much activity as normal.
People there much more, huh?
Yeah.
Guys, so may Bud Light dito. Ah! Look at the Bud Light. Guys, alak. Walang laman. Tinapon nila dyan. Bud Light. Barangay. Yan yung mga ibon. Let's go. Iwanan na tayo ni Mr. Kenneth. Ay, ang daming ano. Ang daming duck. Duck. Guys, may dalawang difference na duck sila dito. Duck. Yung duck nila na may alaga ako na sa ating katulad ng sa Pinas. And then they have a wild duck. They called a wild duck, but they are pretty, guys. They have a wild duck. Very pretty. Ewan ko lang guys, kung makabalik pa ako pabalik doon. Ang sakit na ng paa ko. Ang bigat kasi ng boots niya. Magpaiwan na lang ako doon. Long ways na yung daan niya. Strip it. Ito guys, oh. Yung ganyan na
Usually
malinis.
every year. Here, there, and down yonder is always a scrape.
Maybe there's only one. Yan guys, may script sila na ganyan. Ibig sabihin, that is a girl or boy? Boy? Boy daw yung mga gumagawa ng ganyan guys. Yan. Ibig sabihin, naghahanap sila ng babae. Na babae na deer. You know guys. Hi, honey. Look. I-break that one. Ibig sabihin guys, malaki yung deer. May horn siya kasi break that one. I don't want to touch it.
Don't touch it.
You know guys, nag-strip siya. Ibig sabihin naghahanap siya ng girlfriend. Ready na silang mag-breed.
The girl will usually come pee in one of these spots, and he comes by ever so often and checks it. When he smells that she's in heat, it's her period,
Okay.
he goes and chases and runs around looking for her.
Okay, so umiihi daw dyan yung deer na girl. And then the boys goes there and give it the sign the girl that he's there. So they make a baby. They make a loving. So hanapin natin yun. Yun yung gusto ng asawa ko guys. a horn.
Okay, I've seen enough.